Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your JBL Quantum Stream microphone. So your microphone doesn't store the settings, so if you wanna restore settings, you should restore it on Quantum Engine application. To do that, firstly you should open Quantum Engine application. You can find it here if your application working in the background, so you can find it here. So click on this hide arrow, and here you'll see a Q icon. This is the JBL Quantum Engine app. Click on it once, and here you will see all your microphone settings. And here on the main screen, on the microphone tab, you will see Reset Mic Settings. So just click on this button, and in this way you will reset all custom settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.